That is first I'm sharing the screen. Is it visible? 1 minute. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Experiment number 3 is written here. Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Now, today experiment number is 3. Now, object of this experiment or title, that is to make a V fitting from the given to MS pieces. That means your workpiece will be a plate-like form to make a gauge from MS plate. That means MS plate is there. You have to make a object. Object shape will be V shape. MS means mild steel. Mild steel. That means two mild steel plate is given to you. You have to make a V fitting. V types of object in fitting. This fitting will help you to assemble the different parts of a object or to make a single object from a several object. That means that is why it is called fitting shop. In previous, that was machine shop. With the help of machine shop, we are making a suitable object or usable object from the raw material. Now in this shop, that is fitting shop, here we will produce a assemble object or complete object that will be helpful for us with the help of joining the different parts. That is the goal on this shop. Okay, so we will cover near about near about 6 shops, 5 to 6 shops, and 8 experiment. In your machine shop, there is 2 experiment. One is in lathe machine, another is shaper machine. Now, in this shop, that is fitting shop, we will produce a V-shape object to get a assemble object. And raw material will be 2 mild steel plate. Now, I am showing you the view is this. This is a mild steel plate whose dimension is given 50, 50, and 6. 6 millimeter is the thickness, 50 millimeter width, and 50 meter length. So it is a rectangular object. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Raw material, mild steel plate, dimension in millimeter. That is your raw object. You have to take two raw objects. You have to take two mild steel plate. That means mild steel plate number 1 and mild steel plate number 2. Okay. From this mild steel plate number 1, one plate number 1, you have to make this type of shape. This type of shape. That means you have to cut a V group here. Here you have to cut a V group and you have to make a hole, drill hole. You have to make a hole and you have to cut like this. So this will be the sheet number 1. And for sheet number 2, you have to produce this sheet number 2 in this type of shape. That means a hole is there and a V type shape. Okay, so this is the V in your inner portion of the object and V shape is the outer portion of the object. Now, so this is your plate number 1 and plate number 2. Now, if you place plate number 2 above this plate number 1, so what will happen? Now, this V shape will place in this V group. So ultimately, it will produce a complete joint or complete shape. Okay, that means in this complete shape, we will get a V type shape and a drill hole. Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
ये जो रेक्टेंगुलर जो शेप है ये प्लेट नंबर 1 है, ऐसा ही मतलब और एक प्लेट है प्लेट नंबर 2. प्लेट नंबर 1 को ऐसा शेप दिया गया ताकि मतलब कि ये वी टाइप नॉच और उसका साथ एक ड्रिल होल, ये प्लेट नंबर 1 के लिए. सिमिलरली प्लेट नंबर 2 के लिए बाहर में एक वी शेप ऐसा और एक ड्रिल होल है. तो मतलब कि ये प्लेट नंबर 2 है, ये प्लेट नंबर 2 को प्लेट नंबर 1 के ऊपर प्लेस करना है. तो प्लेस करने से क्या है, ये भी जो ग्रुप है ये ग्रुप के ऊपर ये जो भी प्रोजेक्शन पोर्शन है ये मतलब कि सेट हो जाएगा. तो अल्टीमेटली ये एक सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा. तो ये सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट बनाना है. तो ये सिंगल ऑब्जेक्ट यही टारगेट है. तो मतलब क्या, जो 1 and 2 टू पार्ट we are fitting in like this. Fitting the word is meaning showing meaning here. Fitting means that means this surface and this surface will match with each other, and this surface and this surface. If there is a irregularities in the surface, then matching will not possible or fitting will not possible. Just like plug and socket. Plug is placed inside the socket. If there is a fitting, so there is no spark in your electric due to electricity. If there is a loose in between plug and socket, if you see in your home plug socket, so there is a chance of electric spark that will produce heat and that will damage the object. That means fitting means it will fit smoothly. That means this surface and this surface will fit in this surface smoothly. That is why it is called uh, fitting job. And fitting job will help in a shop, that is called fitting shop. Okay, so you have to make a drill hole in some dimension. M is equal to 12 millimeter is given, uh, as well as you have to make a V group 60-degree angle, and in this dimension 24 millimeter, but like this. So your step will be first. You have to identify the mark center point of the drill hole and V shape on this surface. After that, using the cutting tool, you have to cut or remove this metal, this portion, and remove the metal of this portion. Okay, so how you will remove this metal from this portion and how you will cut this metal from this portion, you will observe in your live class. The answer will explain you, and as well as see you how we will produce a V group on plate number 1 and V group V projection portion in plate number 2. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, to producing a V groove or drill hole or V projection, we have to use these types of tool. These types of tool will be used in this shop. Tool is bench vise, steel rule, odd leg caliper, divider, hacksaw, dot point. All things you will visible, you will see in your live class. So you will ask the teacher, Dhiman sir, that please sir show us these tools. So you will get a rough idea or 3D view of this tool. তোমরা স্যারকে বলবে যে স্যার টুলগুলো একটু দেখিয়ে দিন, তাহলে টুলগুলো তোমরা চিনতে পারবে যে স্টিল রুল কেমন হয়, ডিভাইডার কেমন হয়, হ্যাকসো কেমন হয়, লাইক দিস because I will show you all these tools in 3D 2D form, but you have to observe in 3D form. Clear? ঠিক আছে?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You may use maybe Bengali, Hindi, English, any language, so you will not um, feel nervous to ask the question, sir, what is this or how it will help to produce this object. তুমি ফ্রি ভাবে করবে, জিজ্ঞাসা করবে, বুঝলে? Material liquid. Material is mild steel. MS. Mild steel plate. Size is 50-50-50. So you will read the manual carefully because in your Viva, we will ask you in your fitting socks which types of material you have used. Your answer will be mild steel, not MS. If you tell me the, MS plate, then next question will be like this. What do you mean by MS? MS का मतलब क्या है? MS का मतलब mild steel. Okay, that is the grade of steel. Next, this tool will be used to produce these types of object. Now, next question is this: what will be the sequence of operation? Sequence of operation, or which operation will help to produce these types of object? That is this. This is your sequence of operation: filing, checking flatness, marking, measuring, punching, like this. So you will observe all these operation during live class. Checking flatness and squareness. That means in this process you will check the flatness of the surface. Making and measuring. That means you will take the dimension and put on the surface and mark. That means measuring and marking operation will help you to mark on the surface that which portion you have to remove or which portion you have to cut or where you have to make a hole. Okay, like this punching, swinging, tipping, drilling, tapping. You will see all the operation. In your drill operation, you will make a drill hole. In your tapping, thread will be produced. Okay, and next is procedure. So you will after observation your experiment, you will read this procedure and you will match whether this procedure will be follow or not. Okay, that is the procedure. uh, with this help of procedure we will complete all this operation. All this operation will be complete through this procedure. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
in your live class your duty will be this: you will observe the different types of tool and different types of operation according to this procedure. Okay, if you follow this procedure for this operation, your job will be automatically ready. After that, safety precaution. You have to take this precaution when you will do this job in this workshop. Or physically, when you will do this job, you have to take this safety precaution. So you will remember in all shop which types of safety we have to take. Okay, that means your dress, your distance, or any other things that will be given in your safety precaution in your manual. After that, last thing is this question. You have to write down answer of this question. Answer of the question. This answer you will get from your observation during live class, as well as the I will give you the note from this note. That means note and as your observation, combining these two things, you will get answer of this question. Now see this question. What is fitting shop? State the purpose and function of this fitting shop. Now where fitting operation will possible in that shop is called fitting shop. And purpose is this: to assemble the different parts to make a complete job, or to make a complete object. Like this you have to give the answer. Next, what are the different types of hand tool use? Hand tool use already I am showing you. This tool will be used measuring instrument, and specify them. Specify them. This specification you will get from the note. Sketch all of them with their function and material used to manufacture. You will get this answer in your description of the parts in the note. I will provide you note. In that note, you will get the description as well as figure of this question. Next, how file are classified on the basis of and describe with display. Also, you will get the answer. And what are the various types of chisel? Chisel will be used. Chisel is a cutting tool that will be used in fitting shop. You will get different description or explanation of this chisel in note also. So this answer, that is the combination of your note and your observation. If you observe minutely the live experiment and study the note, then you will be able to give the answer of this question, and you will write down this answer in your A4 page for your report. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Now, question is what are the different types of hand tool and measuring instrument used? Now I'm showing you fitting tools. These are the different types of fitting tool will be used. For this shop, these four types of tool will be used. Warp holding device, that means holding tools, measuring and marking tools, cutting tools, and sticking tools. In your holding and holding tools, that means these tools will help you to hold the workpiece or to hold the job. And measuring and marking tool, this tool will help you to fix up the dimension on a raw product to produce a finished product. মানে র প্রোডাক্ট থেকে তোমাকে হেল্প করবে যে ডাইমেনশন গুলো ঠিক করে পুট করে যে মার্কিং করার জন্য whether you will remove or add some material like this. So marking is complete through the help of marking tool. After that, that is cutting tool. Now cutting tool will help you to cut at your mark line or marking position. Marking position है काटने के लिए ये हेल्प करेगा. नेक्स्ट है स्ट्रिकिंग टूल. Streaking tool, that will be the finishing tool or finishing touch. To finish the surface or to finish the object, these types of tool will help you. Suppose during cutting operation, surface will produce that is very rough. So you have to produce a smooth surface using some tool. That tool will be finishing tool or streaking tool like this. Streaking tool here mainly that is hammering. Hammer will help you to streak the tool or finish the product. Now, work holding device tool, one of them, this is a work holding device tool. That is a table. On this table, a vice is there. This vice will help you to hold your job. If you see this, that is your vice. This vice, this that is your bench vice. If you rotate this handle, so what will happen? A gap will produce. In this gap, you will place your job to hold the device. Another thing, that is V block. V block will also help you to hold a cylindrical object. In today's operation or experiment, that is, you have to make a V block like this. তোমাদেরকে এইরকম টাইপের একটা ভি ব্লক তৈরি করতে হবে যেটা সিলিন্ডারিক্যাল অবজেক্টকে হোল্ড করার জন্য হেল্প করবে। এটাকে তোমাদেরকে তৈরি করতে হবে এই টাইপের। দ্যাট ইজ অলরেডি উই হ্যাভ প্রডিউস ভি ব্লক। হ্যাঁ, ওকে। In your shaping machine, in experiment number 2, already we will produce these types of object. These types of object we will use in your fitting shop to hold a cylindrical object like this. Clear? So this is your holding tools. That means this is your holding tools. Clear?
Yes, sir.
After that, we will discuss measuring or marking tool and cutting tools. So steel rule, it is also a measuring tool. Caliper, outside, different types of caliper is there, inside, outside. All are the measuring tools. এগুলো হচ্ছে measuring. That means you will take some dimension, maybe 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, taking with this help of this caliper, and you will place on the rough surface and mark where you will use cutting tool to remove the metal. And this is the cutting tool. This cutting, with this help of cutting tool, you will remove extra material. Extra material is present in your job or in your partition line or cutting line. Okay, so these are the cutting tool, and this is the measuring tool. You will give the different types of cutting tool and different types of measuring tool details in note. Okay, just I am showing you the sample of cutting tool, measuring tool, holding tool like this. Next, uh, file. File is a tool. This tool is used for stacking purpose or finishing purpose. That means these tool are the finishing tool. Hammer and file are used in fitting shop for finishing purpose to finish the job or smooth surface finish. For this, we will use this type of tool. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we will try to find the answer as well as details of these different types of tool and procedure. That is why I am showing you the notes that will I will provide you after completion your experiment. This is the note fitting shop. If you read this paragraph, then you will get a definition of fitting shop. What is fitting shop? Fitting tools. These four types of tool will be used. Now, work holding device or clamping tool. Now we are showing here different types of work holding device. Workbench, and that is your workbench, and that is your bench vice. That is a detailed portion of the bench vice. V block. Now, measuring tool. Now, when you will write down the question, answer of the question, you write down the different tool will use in your fitting shop. At that time, you will write down bench wise. After that, you will take suitable 3 to 4 sentence from this paragraph. Okay, as well as take the diagram to show all the parts here. Next is measuring tool, steel rule, caliper. And now see this two types of different types of caliper is there. One is outside caliper, inside caliper, uh, odd leg caliper. Next, marking tool. In your marking tool, that is surface plate. The surface plate is a tool where we will check the surface smoothness of this plate. If you put your job on this plate, if there is a gap in between surface and job surface, then the surface is irregular. From this irregular shape, you have to convert into a smooth surface. That is why flat surface is used to check the flatness of the surface. Okay, or rectangular type object will be placed in this surface, but cylindrical object will be placed in your V block with the help of surface plate to check the straightness of the surface. That is the use of surface plate. But when you write down the measuring to surface plate, no need to write down full paragraph. Just take 2 to 3 sentences and only this figure. Next is Scrabble is also help you to mark the line on the raw material or raw plate. Divider. Do you know the function of divider? Divider. What is the function of divider? It is used in your class 10 geometry subject, geometry portion of your mathematics. Have you used this divider?
Yes, sir.
Divider is used to take the
Distance between.
dimension, to take the dimension from the scale. After that, you will transmit this dimension in your drawing area. स्टील रूलर मध्य जो स्टील रूल है, स्टील रूल में कोई डायमेंशन ले करके वो डायमेंशन को ड्राइंग एरिया में शिफ्ट करने के लिए ये डिवाइडर का यूज होता है. ओके, क्योंकि मतलब हर जगह में रूल जो है स्टील जो है scale is not possible to place in your drawing area. That is why we are use the divider. Okay, next is punch. What is the function of punch? Punch already used in your previous experiment. Punch function की हो? Function of the punch. Function of the punch to make a spot on the surface where we will make some hole like this, or to find the center point of a object, or to find the center point in certain zone. Certain zone এ কোনো একটা center point find করার জন্য আমরা punch use করি. Now, according to the angle of this punch, the name will also change. Dot punch, center punch, peak punch. That means the difference is this: the sharpness of the punch point is like this. When the very sharp, name is peak punch. When the angle in between two surface of the punch, that is 90 degree, is called center punch. Like this. If we increase or decrease this angle, so we will get the sharp end point of this punch. According to the sharp end point, we will classify the punch in different classification. Okay. Next, tri-square. Tri-square. The function of the tri-square to make a line, to make a straight line that will be perpendicular to each other or 90 degree. 90 degree de line draw করার জন্য, but to check the 90 degree in between two surface, this tri-square will be used. That is why tri-square will frequently use to check the straightness as well as 90 degree in between two surface. If you read this paragraph and clearly, so you will get this answer. Clear? So all of you read this note, because in your Viva during semester exam, during Viva, your question will be like this: what is the function of the tri-square? And tri-square is able to check the straightness in less than 90 degree, like this. So who will read this note? He will able to give the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, cutting tool. With the help of cutting tool, we will remove certain amount of metal. That is, one is hacksaw. Hacksaw will use to remove or to cut some portion from an object. Now, hacksaw shape will be like this. This is your hacksaw blade. Hacksaw blade. So cutting edge will produce in this teeth form. Now this hacksaw will be classified in different class, just like forward cut, backward cut. That means when your saw will move forward, cutting operation will done, but during backward, no cutting operation will be occur. But during backward file, backward hacksaw, during backward, it will able to cut the metal. Similarly, coarse, medium, fine. That means how much number of teeth is present per inch. According to this, the hacksaw will be classified coarse hacksaw, medium hacksaw, fine hacksaw. If it is range 8 to 14 number of teeth per inch, that will be coarse. If teeth is increasing, then medium. If that number of teeth is more than 24, that will be called fine hacksaw. Okay. Also, the shape of the hacksaw can be classified in different classes like this. So forward, backward, and number of teeth. After that, file. This file is used for finishing the product. Actually, function of the file to reduce the roughness of the product, or for smoothness of the surface. And this file, how will identify this file? If you see the question, a question is given in your manual, identify the file, or what is the specification of the file. So specification of the file, answer will be this question. That means length, shape, grade, and type of pattern. That is the specification of the file. This file, this file remove less amount of material. It will be classified as a single cut file, double cut file. If there is one inclination of the surface, is called single cut file. If there is a double inclination, that means it will remove very small amount of material to for smooth finish. So you will see this. You will also observe. You will ask the teacher, just sir, show us the different types of file. There is different types of file, near about 4 to 5 types. So you will observe, okay, and you will minutely observe incline. Now see this. This is your single cut file, single inclination. This is your double cut file, double inclination. So you will observe minutely. তোমরা এই ফাইলগুলো ক্লিয়ারলি স্যারকে তুলে দেখাতে বলবে, স্যার দেখিয়ে দেবে যে কেমন ভাবে মানে কি ইনক্লিনেশন আছে। দ্যাট ইজ ইউর কাটিং টিথ। উইথ দিস হেল্প অফ টিথ the metal will be removed from the surface. Okay.
Okay, sir.
তোমাদের ধরো, হ্যাঁ বলো।
স্যার আই হ্যাড এ কোয়েশ্চেন স্যার, এই যে
Yeah.
পিকচার গুলো আছে এগুলো কি স্যার আঁকতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ অবশ্যই। যে এখানে যখন যেখানে কোশ্চেন থাকবে যে এক্সপ্লেন দ্য ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ ক্লাসিফাই দ্য ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ ফাইল at that place, you will draw this figure and write down 1 or 2 সেন্টেন্স। জাস্ট তোমাদের সেন্টেন্সটা আমি কমাতে বলছি। যেখানে 10-12টা সেন্টেন্স আছে সেখানে 1-2টো, কিন্তু সেন্টেন্সটা কমাবে, কিন্তু ফিগারগুলো দেবে।
ওকে স্যার।
ওকে। ঠিক সিমিলারলি হ্যান্ড ফাইল, ফ্ল্যাট ফাইল, স্কোয়ার ফাইল। এখানে কেন বলো তো, এখানে ধরো 4-5টা সেন্টেন্সে তুমি ডিটেলস পড়লে, দ্যাট উইল হেল্প ইউ টু গিভ দ্য ভাইবা। ভাইবা দেওয়ার জন্য তোমাকে পুরোটা পড়া দরকার, কিন্তু লেখার জন্য এই ফাইলটা লিখছো, সেখানে তুমি হয়তো 1-2 লাইন লিখে দিলে। কারণ কি, ফাইলটা শেপ ইজ দিস, দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই ইট ইজ কল হ্যান্ড ফাইল। দ্য শেপ ইজ লাইক দিস or কাট ইজ লাইক দিস, দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই ইট ইজ কল ফ্ল্যাট ফাইল, স্কোয়ার ফাইল। ওকে, বাট হোয়ার ইউ উইল ইউজ দিস, দিস কোশ্চেন ইউ উইল গেট ইন ইউর ভাইবা। তার মানে কি, তুমি যখন এটা লিখছো, পুরোটাই পড়ছো, সেখানে ভাইবা প্লাস রিপোর্ট দুটোই কভার হয়ে যাচ্ছে। তাই ভাইবা জায়গাটা লেখার দরকার নেই, রিপোর্টের জায়গাটা লিখবে। দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই ইউ উইল টেক 2 to 3 সেন্টেন্স ফর ইউর ডেফিনেশন অফ দিস টুল, আর রিমেনিং সেন্টেন্স ইউ উইল রিমেম্বার টু গিভ দ্য অ্যান্সার ডিউরিং ভাইবা। ভাইবার জন্য একটা পার্ট পোর্শন রাখলে, আর রিপোর্ট লেখার জন্য একটা পোর্শন রাখলে। সেই জন্য কিছু সেন্টেন্স লিখবে লেখার জন্য, আর কিছু ভাইবা দেওয়ার জন্য। ক্লিয়ার? ওকে,
Yes, sir.
so you will observe all this file. Sarah will show you the different types of file on the basis of grade, like this number of teeth, number also Haxo were classified number of teeth per inch. Similarly, number of teeth is present in this file per inch also is given the different types of classification of the file. And next is chisel. Chisel, chisel will help you to cut some portion in the object. Hacksaw and chisel. Chisel will be used for cut or to give a finishing portion, finishing cutting for chisel, and to partition in between two portion. We will use the hacksaw. And next tool is used, that is tabs. Tab will be like this. See this thread portion is here. So when you will place this tool inside a drill, inside a hole, after that if you rotate this, so a thread will be produced in your hole portion. That means to produce thread inside the hole, that means just like a nut. If you see nut bolt, in the nut portion some thread is there inside the nut. So to produce the thread in hole or nut, we will use tap. So tap is the most important tool to produce the thread inside the hole. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now how we will produce the hole? Now you have to produce the hole, or to make a hole, drilling operation will help you to make a hole in a plate. So this is a drill machine. If you place the object here, this is a spindle or tool. If you put down this tool head on the surface, so a drill hole will be produced. Now this is your drill tool, and that is called drill spindle. So this drill spindle will place in this tool hole. Okay, and object will be placed here. So during rotation, so it will produce a hole on the surface. And next is streaking tool. That means hammer will be used for streaking. Now hammer will be also classified in different types of hammer: ball pen hammer, cross hammer, according to the shape and size. According to the shape and size as well as mass of the hammer, this hammer will be used in different place for different purpose. Suppose less force is required, we will use this ball pen hammer. Heavy force is required, at that time we will use these types of hammer. So according to the purpose or use of the position, we will use different types of hammer. Okay, that is your stacking tool. So ultimately you have to study these four types of tool: holding tool, measuring and marking tool, cutting tool, and finishing tool. Okay, so after that you will get a final product of two piece, and you will assemble, then you will get a total complete job. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So we are coming in our job. So this is our workpiece. So from this workpiece, we will produce these two part one and part two, and after that we will assemble. So we will get the job. For this operation, we have to study this tool, this operation like this, and also you have to make the question of this to make a report. So you will wait. The answer will explain you the different procedure, and also show the different tool will be used in fitting shop. Okay, so you know it. The answer is join or not. তোমরা ওয়েট করো, ধীমানসা জয়েন করছি, তাও তোমাদেরকে ওয়েট 2 minutes. হ্যাঁ ধীমান জয়েন করেছো?
হ্যাঁ
ও আচ্ছা,
বলো।
তোমার স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করো, আমি ওদেরকে পুরো মানে দেখিয়ে দিয়েছি।
হুম।
হ্যাঁ, পুরো থিওরি কমপ্লিট হয়ে গেছে। এবারে তুমি ওদেরকে টুল গুলো আর অপারেশন সিকোয়েন্স গুলো দেখিয়ে দিও। ওকে, তাহলে ওরা ইয়ে করতে পারবে, কোড লিখতে পারবে।
ঠিক আছে।
হ্যাঁ, আমি একটা মিটিং এ যাচ্ছি, বুঝলি, তুমি ওদেরকে দেখিয়ে দিলে কমপ্লিট, আর কিছু ওদের কাছে
তাহলে
করার
আমি
দরকার নেই।
আমি দেখিয়ে কমপ্লিট করে বন্ধ বন্ধ করে দেবো,
হ্যাঁ
তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ, একদম একদম একদম, ওকে। আর আমার কোনো ফাংশন নেই। ঠিক আছে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
তুমি শেয়ার করো না, আমি দেখিনি যে তোমার স্ক্রিনটা শেয়ার হচ্ছে কিনা।
দাঁড়াও।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, দেখা যাচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ, ব্যাক ক্যামেরা অন হয়ে গেছে। স্টুডেন্ট, ইজ ইট ভিজিবল?
Yes, sir.
ওকে ওকে,
ইয়েস স্যার।
ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ, কন্টিনিউ
So,
হ্যাঁ।
so this is steel rule. I think all of you know this. This is the measuring tool. Okay. Now, these are all files. According to shape, there are so many files. Okay. First, see, this is flat file. Okay. This one is called flat file, and it looks like it. This is flat file. Now, see the cross section. This cross section is circular. Okay. This is called round file. This one is the round file, and its cross section is circular. Round file. This is triangular file. See the cross section. Triangle. Okay. This is called triangular file. Okay. Triangular file. See the cross section. This is half round. Okay. Or that means it's a semicircular. Half round file. Half round. This one is half round file. And this one is the square file. So according to shape, there are so many files: square files, half round file, triangular file, and mostly used in this in your shop. This is flat file. Flat file. Okay, so these are all files. This is saw, cutting saw. This black part is the frame, and this is the blade. Okay, this is the blade, and this one is the frame. This is cutting saw or hacksaw, whatever you say. This one is the hacksaw. Now, in your last class, I told this name of this punch. Do you know what is the name of this punch? In last class, I told you. This is called prick punch. Angle is 30 degree. Okay, this angle is 30 degree, 30 to 60. Okay, this is called prick punch. And this one is called center punch. This is center punch. Angle is 45 degree. This is called tri-square. Okay, this is called tri-square. With the help of this tool, you can measure 90 degree. Okay, how to check? I am showing. Suppose this is your job, and you have to check this way. Project hold this. See how to check. Okay, with the help of tri-square, you can check only 90 degree. Okay, this way you have to check. This is 90 degree, exact 90 degree. Okay, this is called tri-square. So pry square, center punch, prick punch. Now this is divider. Okay, this is called divider. This is called odd leg caliper. See this part, this is curved. Okay, that's why it is called odd leg caliper. Okay, with the help of this tool you can draw the parallel line. See how to draw. Okay, if you want to draw parallel line, you can draw with the help of this odd leg caliper. Okay, now this is outside caliper. This is outside caliper. See the use. This is a circular job. Okay, and you have to check the measurement, how to use. Now we have to put it on the scale or steel rule. Okay, this way you can check the outside diameter of a circular job. This is called outside caliper. This is outside caliper, direct measurement. Now this one is called inside caliper. This one is called inside caliper. With the help of this instrument, you can check the inside diameter of a circular job. Now see the same thing. Okay. Now put it on the measuring steel rule or scale, and you can measure the inside diameter. Okay. This is called inside caliper. So this one is the inside caliper. This one is the outside caliper. This one is odd leg caliper. This is odd leg caliper. With the help of odd leg caliper, you can draw the parallel line. This is called divider. This is center punch. Center punch. This one is the prick punch. And finally, this is called pry square. And one more thing, that is called scriber. See the use of scriber. Okay, you can draw a line. So these are all the marking tools. Now see, this is called ball peen hammer. This one is the ball. Okay, this is ball peen hammer. Striking tool. Ball peen hammer. This is striking tool. This is claw hammer. See, this is the claw hammer. Generally, it is used in the carpentry shop to remove the nails. Actually, it is used in the carpentry shop to remove the nails. Okay, this is called claw hammer. And this one is the ball peen hammer, and this one is the claw hammer. This is cross pin and straight pin hammer. Okay, this is called cross pin, straight pin hammer. This one is the cross pin, and this is the straight pin. This is the cross pin, this is the straight pin. This is called cross pin, straight pin hammer. And this is soft wooden hammer. This is also called mallet. This is also called mallet. This is a soft wooden hammer. Die and punch. So these are basically tapped. Tap set, basically taps are used to cut thread, internal thread. Okay, taps, these are taps, tap set. This is used to cut internal thread. Suppose this is a whole area, it is whole sector. Just see. Okay, this way you have to cut this. And tap range. Okay, the upper part is tap range. Okay, so with the help of tap, you can cut internal thread. This is tap set and tap range. This one is the tap range. This is the tap range. So basically, this is your job plate and you have to make this one. Okay, this is your job plate. This is your job plate. Okay, you have to make this one. Okay, so today we will make this part only. Now this is your job plate and we have to make this one. Okay, I think all of you have the manual. So see the dimensions first. See the dimensions first. I think all of you have manual. First, you have to make the right angle, perfect right angle. You have to check with the tri-square. Now, first the filing operation. Now, this is filing operation, and you have to make the right angle first. Exact right angle, and you have to check with the tri-square. Now see how to check. That means you are checking the flatness. No, this is not exact 90 degree. Light pass হচ্ছে? Okay. অলমোস্ট হয়েছে, ঠিক আছে। কোনটাতে একটু প্রবলেম আছে। ওকে, now finally we are checking the right angle of 90 degree. So it's almost done. Yeah. Acha, one important thing. This is called bench vise. This is the most important thing in fitting shop. This is called bench vise. Okay. Now see what we are doing actually right now. Now we are applying liquid chalk on the job surface. We are applying it just for marking purpose only. Now allow it to dry. Give some time. Allow it to dry. So this width is 48 millimeter, and we have to divide it equal to division. So each division will be 24. So each division will be 24. With the help of odd leg caliper, we have taken 24 mm and dividing the job part in equal two divisions. You just follow the manual. There are dimensions. Now we are taking 12 mm with the help of odd leg caliper. Okay. Now find out the center of the circle. Circle diameter কত আছে? So basically, you have to remove this part actually, this part and this part. You have to remove this part. According to drawing, you have to remove this part. So through this line, you have to cut and you have to remove this part and this part. Okay. So you have to cut with the help of hacksaw. Actually, saw. This is called sawing operation.
স্যার
হ্যাঁ বলো।
স্যার এই যে ভিডিওটা ক্লিয়ার আসছে না।
ভিডিও ক্লিয়ার আসছে না? আচ্ছা দাঁড়াও। আসছে এবার?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to remove the other half of the job. Okay. So finally, you have got this shape. Now you have to make a hole and you have to make thread. Joydev da? So this is the drill machine basically, and this is called the drill bit. This is drill bit, and this is the complete drill machine. Okay, and you have to make with the help of drill machine, we can make the whole part. Okay, see how to do. So let a cut দিতে হবে মনে হয়। কাট দিতে হবে।
না 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 সেন্টার তো হবে না, এটা ভাইটটা খারাপ হবে, এটা এটা খুলতে হবে না। না 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 ঠিক আছে দাঁড়া 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 চলো গেলে মাংস হবে না। বললো তো ভালো
Okay, so So this is your job, and now you have to make the internal thread with the help of tab. Okay. So these are all tab set. I have said earlier that these are all tab set, and this is one is the tab range, and you have to make internal thread. Okay. So again, fit it on the vice. Now set the first tab or primary tab. Meeting.
দশের বোল্ট আছে কোনো? দশের বোল্ট আছে? এটা কিন্তু একটা লাগিয়ে দেখানো যায়। ওই তো মানে বাথরুমের মধ্যে আছে, এটা আলাদা।
Second tab. This is the second tab. And last one, this is the finisher tab or final tab, third tab. Okay. Can you see the thread inside? Can you see the thread inside?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are trying to fixing a bolt here. Okay. See. Now, so bolt has the external thread and we have made the internal thread here on the job. জবটা বের করে নিন, জবটা বোল্ট খুলতে হবে না, বোল্ট খুলতে হবে না। Now see. So this is your job actually. So these are all the operations. Okay. This job actually you have to do in your fitting shop. This is your main job. Bolt up. So this is the job. আরেকটা পার্ট ছিল না, other half of the Okay, in your manual you can see all this part also, and the same thing you have to do. That means you have to cut this with the saw, filing operation, again drilling operation. Okay, and this is the another half of this part, মানে job. This way. This part is the another half of the job. Okay. So this is your job actually. If you have any question, you can ask. So no question. So I'm leaving. Okay.
Hello? Did sir leave? Damn.
मच्छर
बंद कर।
चुप हो जा।
Okay.
जाओ जाओ सो जाओ सब।
सो ही रहे थे, इसका
पहले आप
वॉशरूम
सो
टूट
जा,
गया।
पहले आप सो जाओ फिर हम लोग सो।
Host के
क्यों ना
স্যার বেরিয়ে গেলে আর কি হোস্ট নেই।
सो जा सो जा।
कौन
কি রে
मरा हुआ आवाज से बोल रहा है?
चुप कर ना सबाई, चुप कर ना।
सबसे ज्यादा तुम ही बोल रहा है।
হ্যাঁ
ज्यादा बकता है किस
সব থেকে বকে বেশি হলো
ঠিক আছে বাই বাই
মোনালিসা। হ্যাঁ তুই বিরো, ভালো হয়েছে।
তুইও বেরো বাবু।
আমি কেন যাবো, তুই যা।
কেন কি করবি তাহলে?
বসে থাকবে।
বসে থাকবো।
কাজ নেই
কাজ নেই তো। 20 মোর জয়েন্ট। ও মাই গুডনেস, এরা আবার জয়েন করছে কেন?
কেউ জয়েন সব লেফট হচ্ছে, ভালো করে দেখ।
তাহলে এখন কি ছুটি নাকি?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ স্যার
খতম
বলতেন।
আচ্ছা 3 নাম্বারটা আবার লিখতে বললো তো।
গোটাটা আঁকতে হবে ওইসব।
আগে বল 1 আর 2 কে লিখেছিস, লিখেছিস আদৌ?
1 2 আমি লিখে নেই।
তাহলে
আমি লিখেছি।
তাহলে পাঠা না গ্রুপে, ছবি তুলে পাঠা।
অন্তিম
মানে আমি লিখবো, এখনো লিখিনি।
বাহ,
কি লিখেছিস তুই?
ভাবনা ভাবনা চিন্তা চলছে।
लीव करना है?
তুই যে
नहीं
আমি থাকবো।
न्यू लिंक आएगा फिर से क्लास करना तुम, ठीक है?
ठीक है।
তুই তো বললি ছুটি হয়ে গেছে, আবার কি লিংক
ওর
দেবে?
ছুটি না এখনো।
और আমার পেট ভরে না, আর ইচ্ছা করছে ক্লাস।
খাবার দিয়ে পেটটা ভরা, ক্লাস দিয়ে নয়।
खाना पीना हो गया सब खाना पीना हो चुका है।
ओके बाय।
हाँ हाँ बाय।
गुड नाइट सबको।
गुड नाइट, गुड मॉर्निंग। लीव करो सब।
तू ही आगे जाना।
पहले आप फिर हम लोग।
नहीं, मैं सबसे बाद में।
अच्छा ये साफ सफाई करेगी ना गूगल मीट का?
हाँ हाँ, तुम निकलो पहले।
ओके मैम।
अरे कितना सुनता है। कौन कौन है अभी? हीलो।
नहीं तू।
यम बिरुलम टाटा।
बाय बाय जा।
गुड नाइट एवरीवन।
गुड नाइट। जा। बाय बाय। खत्म।